Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make a Discord channel read-only. So this would be a channel in your server that you can set to for members to basically read, but they can't send messages in. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So you can do this either on the web-based application, or if you have the Discord app downloaded, you can actually do it that way as well. The steps are exactly the same. In today's example, I'll be doing this on the Discord app. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up the Discord app. Okay, so I'm logged into my Discord and I'm on my example Digital Tutor account at the moment. So you can see I'm in my server, and what we're going to do to add a read-only text channel is come across to the text channel section here on the left-hand side, and then we're just going to go ahead and click the plus button. And what we're going to do is leave this selected as text channel, and I'm going to call this read-only example, and then click the create channel. So to actually change this, that is a read-only channel, so people can't send messages. You just need to do a bit of tweaking. What you need to do is come to this edit channel button down here. And then what we want to do is come to the menu on the left-hand side, and we want to click onto permissions. And then what we need to do is come down to the advanced permissions option down here. So first of all, you're going to see here on the left-hand side, it's got roles, members, and you want this selected to @everyone. This just means that whatever permissions you set applies to everyone on the server, apart from obviously yourself being the owner. And all you need to do is literally come down, make sure you go set to @everyone, and then you just want to come down until you come to this section here, which says text channel permissions. And then it's this first option here, which says send messages. And then all you want to do is click the red cross, and then go ahead and click the Save Changes green button, which will pop up at the bottom. Okay, so that's now set it in place. So if I actually come out of the settings, and you'll see what's going to happen is I can go ahead and enter a message, because obviously I'm being the server owner. Okay, so you can see I've sent that message. What I'm going to do is now log into my actual account. So if I come down and log out, and then go ahead and log into another account, which is actually my main Discord. Okay, so I'm logged into my main Discord, and what I'm going to do is come to the server. So this one here. And basically, you'll see I'm part of this server. So this is one I was in a minute ago that I've changed the settings on. And if I go onto the read-only example channel, and you'll see I cannot post any messages. And it actually says here in the box, you do not have permissions to send messages in this channel. So that's how you do it. And I hope you did find that helpful. If you did find that helpful, don't forget to leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, if you go ahead and click the link in the video description down below, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.